Alright, so we have just been informed about the biggest Black Friday sale of the year. You can get Windows 10 CD keys up to 50% off using our discount code. So if you're looking for the hookup, you've clicked on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell if you'd like to receive notifications. In today's episode, we are taking a look at the best online software store, Keysoff. Keysoff is an amazing software store that carries tons of games for Steam, Origin, Uplay, Battle.net, Epic Games, and so much more. You can also find a fine collection of official Microsoft keys and bundles. We have our links located in the description if you'd like to take a look. And right now they are having the biggest Black Friday sale, giving you up to 50% off using our exclusive discount code. So you don't have to worry about pirated keys or security issues. These are officially from Microsoft and completely safe and will arrive to you immediately after purchase, while also coming with a lifetime warranty and excellent customer care. Okay, so we are here on the software page and you can see all of the Windows 10, all of the Windows 11 keys, and even Office 2021 and 2019. And these are bundles as well as single keys. But most importantly, right here we have the Windows 10 Professional CD key. And it is on sale for $15.17 versus the Windows 11 Professional that is on sale for $35.41. Now right now, if you have a new PC and it meets the Windows 11 requirements, you can automatically upgrade an official version of Windows 10 Professional to Windows 11. But keep in mind that is only if your hardware meets the requirements of Windows 11. That means you have the potential to upgrade for half of the price. So we're going to go ahead and add Windows 10 Professional to the cart and go straight to the shopping cart. And I'm going to show you how you can make this even cheaper with an exclusive Black Friday discount code that will give us 50% off. And that discount code is SP50. So we'll type in SP50 and apply this coupon. And then bam, knock the price down to $7.58, saving us even more cash. Now we can proceed to checkout, fill out our billing address, and then it will carry us to the payment method, where I want to show you can use two different methods from C-Wallet Co. or your regular credit card, Visa or MasterCard style payment method. Then once all this is filled out, your order will come immediately and all that is left is to activate your version of Windows. To activate, we go into our settings on the PC that you have Windows installed on, and you will find the About menu. Here is where we will have a line that says change product key or upgrade your edition of Windows. You will click that and then it will carry us to the activation screen. This is where you can change the product key to pull up the input box. After entering your key to Windows, you hit activate and it will do its thing and activate your copy of Windows onto this PC. And you can see right here it says we now have the Windows activated with a digital key. So that is how easy it is to save big on a Microsoft Windows key that'll get your software upgraded to the official version of Windows. So make sure to check out the links in the description to Keysoff as well as the discount code so you can get those extra savings while you can. And I would also like to give Keysoff a huge thanks for hooking up our audience with this discount code. If you found this review helpful or just enjoyed the discount code, make sure to give this video a like. That is going to be it for today's episode. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, turn on the bell if you'd like to receive notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next review.